see that big blob on top of that pole over there. But that's what I'm going in for. That is a car on one of the power lines. There's a car in the way. I'm going to get over there. I turned around to go get this picture close up. I'm going to get this.
He says, I wonder if millennials focus on fulfillment in their job is in part to do with the fact that it's more difficult for us as millennials.
Can you see that? Fucking car on a pole.
Technology that always makes us accessible, and we have less traditional roles in the home, of course. You know, I think he's talking
I'm taking an off-ramp that you're not supposed to get off on. So I could go get this picture of this freaking car on a pole. I have to have it. I'm such a bad girl. I'm coming up on it. You see this? You see this? You see this? You see this?